The Beating Retreat ceremony is an old military tradition which takes place on January 29th each year, culminating the week-long Republic Day celebrations. The ceremony is currently held by armed forces in the UK, US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia and India, among others. While the military tradition goes back to 17th century England, the Defence Ministry says that the ceremony traces its origins to the early 1950s, when Major Roberts of the Indian Army indigenously developed the unique ceremony of display by the massed bands. During the Beating Retreat, the colours and standards of the military are paraded. The Ministry of Defence states Beating Retreat marks a centuries-old military tradition when the troops ceased fighting, sheathed their arms and withdrew from the battlefield and returned to the camps at sunset at the sounding of the retreat. Colours and standards are cased and flags lowered. The ceremony creates nostalgia for the times gone by. There are musical performances by bands drawn from the Navy, Air Force, State Police and CAPF, comprising the Central Industrial Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force and Delhi Police, etc. Indian and Western tunes are played at this ceremony, though this year, controversially, the English hymn Abide With Me has been dropped because of its colonial legacy. It has now been replaced with the song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logon." The ceremony is held at the Vijay Chowk in the presence of the President of India. This year's ceremony is going to be a class apart, with 1,000 Made in India drones mesmerizing audiences in different formations at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and a laser show which has also been arranged to mark the 75 years of independence.